guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Nemotron 3.5 Lightning locally on your system. So if I go into this command prompt, let's use the CLS. If I write there ollama --version. So you can see this is the latest version 32.12 that install. So if I write there pwsh or --version. So you can see PowerShell 764 that already installed. So these tools are essential. Thereafter, you need to use this command, ollama run Nemotron 3.5 Lightning. So copying this command, this command I will paste into the description. From there, you can easily get this. So ollama run Nemotron 3.5 Lightning. Now press enter. So this here, polling manifest. For this one, net must be connected because this is doing some 25 GB download of this file. So with this speed, this is currently downloading. So this will take some time to complete this download. So that I'm going to pause the video. This here, Nemotron 3.5 Lightning, this successfully download and install. You can see this all. Now you can ready to send any message. Let's test with the file. Okay, so here you can see writing manifest success. And after that, when I open this place or PowerShell that's open, okay, let's open there PowerShell. Now, if you try to use this command again, press enter. So directly this time, that's come there. Let's write there how to learn coding. You can ask any question related with the coding or computer things. This is the searching here how to learn coding. This has this all returning thinking here, the process, and if I scroll down, this all that's come there. Now if I scroll down, then you can see still this. So the first question was hi and this returning there. After that, you can write any query this place. And this is how we can do the installation of Nemotron 3.5 Lightning on your system locally. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So I this video is over. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.